Hello everyone, how you doing today? I'm in the Garing, a Greece map. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, help the channel out if you can, blah blah blah, you know the deal. Everybody shills, trying to get some buddy support. I need it, but I'm not real enthusiastic about begging for money.
General quarters.
You got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't. Anyway, been playing the Garing a little bit more lately, and this turned out alright. Hate to spoil it for you. That wasn't a clean sweep by any means. It was a bit of a battle at points. Gonna push up behind these islands in the center. Do my old tricky dicky smoke screen thingamajigger. Trying to get them doing OODA loop for a second. Maybe change their mind what they're doing. Observe, analyze, decide, execute. That's basically it. I'm probably not saying it exactly
Enemy force
right.
detected.
You know, it's all
Smoke
done in a
generator
fraction of a second in the trained mind. Some people get stuck on it. Yes, I sound bad. I'm not feeling too hot today. Just kind of blah. Could be depression setting in because things are not going my way and it's frustrating, but it could also be a cold.
Smoke screen set.
So I'm just staying at home, goofing around, taking naps. Probably should go get a little whiskey, take a couple shots, go back to bed, but nah. Don't really have the money to spend on it, so. And parking it. I'm detected by radar. There he is.
Torpedoes to starboard.
One of them's coming up behind me. Probably another one. Yep, there's the other one.
Requesting assistance.
Yeah, I'm asking for help and getting the hell out of here. And booyah! Headshot.
We've sunk an enemy destroyer.
Well done, Commander.
Got the Jaeger.
Well done, Commander.
Posted the comments, open chat to them team. Oops. That's funny. I've played Jaeger a couple of times. It's okay. It's a good move. It's not great, but it's okay. And what do we got? Looks like a cruiser parked on our captor in the middle. He's gonna have problems here pretty quick. Stomach's jacked up a little bit too. What you doing, Missouri? You just gonna sit there all day?
Engine boost activated.
Yeah. Holland did it. I'm gonna do it. Throw a bunch of torques through that gap. There he is.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Crawl yawn. Crawl one. you got there,
I need
Howard?
intelligence data.
Smoke generator
Oh, you
started.
gotta get up here and figure it out. Spoke to his teammates. Got hit by the tank. Howard, that was
Concentrate
bad day. Very bad day. Beach himself. Yeah, that's not good.
Smoke screen set. Problem solved, sir.
Hold it on
Good
Howard
game, everyone.
violence.
Thank you. Good game, everyone.
Bingle Gel's got him. Bingle Gel's makes me think of somebody else. What did he play in this game?
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Acknowledged.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Some of the big time YouTubers, they
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Our team has
change
taken the
their
lead.
names periodically to confuse people. So
Torpedoes to
it's all
port.
good.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Enemy battleship detected.
Acknowledged.
It's
Engine
exactly
boost
like
deactivated.
that. I don't know. I ain't saying who I think it is. Hello, sub. Yep, I don't want to be here anymore.
Acknowledged.
Sub's over there on my left. Port. About 8 o'clock right now. Maybe 7. Yeah, their team's getting dominated here.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Come on, boys. Take care of them. Don't let that sucker get away. Where is that sub? Oh, there he is. Hello, sub. You foul 4501. You're not having a very good day, are you?
Enemy cruiser detected.
Yep, headshot.
Nice work.
Conqueror got him. Pop this. Headshot.
Smoke generator started.
Lucky for me. God dang it. Got one hit. Alright, we dominate the map. We got control of about 2/3
Smoke
of it.
screen set.
Enemy battleship detected.
And they're all falling back except for one. There's a battleship in the middle pushing forward.
Engine boost activated.
We haven't lost any destroyers. Shima, what are you doing, buddy? Eating torpedoes for lunch, huh? See if I can stay on it. No, can't stay on it.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Island in the way. Yeah, Holland got a second kill that I know
Good
of.
game, everyone.
Good job, Holland.
I need intelligence data. Requesting assistance. Acknowledged.
Two battleships over there. Oh, we lost
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
We lost one.
Affirmative.
Still dominating though. That one pulled back up to the middle. Yeah, he was gone. Now this mostly turns into a boat ride for the rest of the game. It was mostly a boat ride in the first place.
All stations, concentrate
Somebody
fire on the
kill that
target.
guy, please.
Roger.
Engine boost deactivated.
Got him spotted for you. Got 2 battleships that can take shots at him. Ooh, our Napoli bought it. He pushed too far up. So we're down 1 destroyer. We've got 3 destroyers still. So we have the advantage in tactics. Not in firepower, but in tactics. We can spot them from a distance, but they can't see us. So if my battleships do their job correctly, they can pick them off one by one. Thinking about it, yeah. I doubt they'll catch him, but
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Bucktree, you're sick of it, aren't you? Commit suicide.
Our victory is in sight.
Hopefully, Gary.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Yeah, he's getting slapped around. Holland and Jutland. What's we got over here? We need to kill that tree. I've got enough health that can take a little damage. Breaking this deck. Oh, got him.
That's how it's done.
Clausewitz. Good job, Clausewitz.
Engine boost activated. Problem solved, sir.
And I am detected, and there. That was close. Chino, Jacksonville, Thunderer, and a destroyer, and I don't know what the other boat is. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I did my part for the team. So, there he is. Gary. He knows he's dead. He knows the game's over. We're over 900. They're only 300 range. Hello, boyo. Put him out of his misery. There you go. Nice job, Jutland. And it's all but over, buddy. 991, 995, 999, 1,000. That's the game. That was actually a pretty decent fight. Their team cohesion fell apart about a third of the way into the game, and they started collapsing, but what did I get? First blood and devastating strike. That was on the Jaeger. 31, 1 flood, 1 capture, 1 assist, 1 spot. And I am third on our roster. Conqueror got the big score. He broke 2,000. High caliber. Holland. Dreadnought. He's got beat up a bit and survived. First Blood, devastating strike. Maine did okay. Clausewitz did okay. Jutland got combat scout. Everybody broke 1,000. Not everybody got a kill, but everybody broke 1,000. On their team, the only one to break 1,000 is this guy, Patry, and he committed suicide. He got the bounty hunter. He got the lepton. Jacksonville got a kill. I don't remember what he got. Wow. Wow. That's awful. Wow. That's awful. I can't say much. I did a game last night where I only got like 250 points. Somebody got off a lucky shot at the start and killed me right away. Missouri. Yeah, that's not very good. And what is my detail report? Ooh, I didn't see this before. 158,000 plus spotting damage. Now, that's pretty damn good. I like that. 13 minutes, 47 seconds. Capture points, 85. One flood. 30 torpedoes fired. One hit. That's all it took. Blew the Jaeger in half with that one torpedo hit, I bet. Wish I could have seen that. 31, 78. Yeah, that's not very good. What, about 40% more or less? But still. What did I get hit with? HE hits, 12. But yeah, that right there, that's good. That's pretty damn good. Not great. That's pretty damn good. And I racked up some points. Need all the points I can get. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed. This is actually one of the better games I've had this weekend.